you so much for coming back to the channel. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. If you are returning, hello, welcome back. I really appreciate you. This week is going to be all about live streaming content ideas because we're constantly having to come up with new content ideas and it can get draining. You can get creative block. I got you. Here are 10 plus live streaming content ideas, and stay till the end for a couple ways to go forward coming up with your own new live streaming content ideas. Before we get started, if you could please hit that subscribe button, ding dong that notification bell, leave a like rating. All of that, the more you engage with the channel, the more this channel can grow, the better the channel does, the better I can do for you guys to help you become the best live streamers possible. Now, I am going to go through these relatively quickly to not waste your time, but if you have any questions on any of the ideas, please feel free to message me either on Instagram or email, or even comment down below, and I will be very happy to further discuss any of these ideas. So without further ado, here we go. We're all going to have our general theme of what we stream, whether that is gaming, chatting, or music, whatever it is. Here are a couple ways to spice it up a bit, and there are 10 live streaming content ideas, no matter what kind of streamer you are, to mix it up and get creative. All right, number 1, interview someone. Either you can interview someone either in person with them on stream with you, or especially since it is still the age of COVID, you can either use the call-in feature within the app that you use, whether the app you use has that or not. You could get creative with getting a secondary device and having them FaceTime in. Get a little messy, but it would work. Or you could, if you were proficient with it, you can use OBS as well. That I think is probably the best option because it will be the most seamless and will also look the best, but you don't need to do that. Do a dare night. I mentioned this in the last video and it comes from the interview with Brooklyn G Life. I highly recommend watching that video here, but you can do a dare night. Now, I can go into greater detail, but basically you incentivize your viewers to send you coins, points, whatever the monetary value is on that app, to buy a slot on a dare wheel. They then get to decide what that dare is. Then day of the actual dare night, you will set a coin value for a spin, and then once you hit that coin value, you will spin the dare wheel. You'll have to do that dare. So that way you're incentivizing people to monetize the stream, but you're also engaging them. And it's fun. They'll get to watch you make a fool of yourself. Number 3, cook on stream. So many of us cook for ourselves, whether you're a good chef or you're really, really bad at it. Both would be entertaining. Lean into it. Maybe have your stream choose what to cook. Maybe it's a new recipe and you're going to look like a fool trying to figure it out. Still fun. Honestly, I've found that my stream really enjoys chaos. Users really love watching chaos, so if you're a really bad cook, this might perform really well for you. Either way, set it up, pretend that you have your own cooking show, and try that out. Spice it up, if you get what I mean. Sorry, that was a bad pun. Number 4, do a workout stream. Either set it up so that people in your stream give you your workout, 10 push-ups, 5 sit-ups, jumping jacks, whatever it is, or do a set workout and lead your viewers along with you. Again, this can either be showing off something that you're actually good at and talented at, or give the stream the chaos that they deserve. Number 5, an educational stream. If there's something that you really, really know a lot about, educate the stream on it. You're gonna be passionate about it. I've talked about this in my previous live streaming content video. It's really great when you talk about something that you're passionate about because you're gonna be able to fill the time. You're also going to come across as really passionate and people really resonate with that. But educate someone. Pick a topic and educate your stream on it. Number 6, an AMA stream or an Ask Me Anything stream. This is something that you'd want to advertise beforehand so the viewers can prepare to come in with some questions, but it's a Ask Me Anything stream. It's exactly what it sounds like. They can ask you anything, you have to answer within reason. Along the same path, number 7, a Q&A stream. I would recommend that you post on your Instagram story before this, have everyone follow you on Instagram, tell them that you're going to be doing this, and have them write in questions on your Instagram story. Not only will it be cross-pollinating the two platforms of your live streaming platform and your Instagram platform, but it's gonna be getting people to engage with you and come up with questions beforehand. You can then prepare answers. So go into the stream with your list of questions from people writing in, and then you can of course take questions from the comments as well, but you can also say, sorry, next time you'll have to make sure to follow me on Instagram. Number 8, especially if you are a business owner, provide a service, whatever it is, do a live product demo or service demo. I've seen this happen a lot on TikTok and a lot of success for small businesses on TikTok. There's one specific guy, he has a skincare line, and he every night live applies his signature face mask to demonstrate that not only is the product high quality enough that he uses it every day, but it shows people, first of all, how to use the product, how much product to actually use, and how effective it really is. And he has shown, you can go onto his TikTok and he shows how these live streams have generated sales. So this is definitely more of a business focused topic, but a lot of us are entrepreneurs and have our side hustles. So use your live stream to increase your side hustle. Number 9, show behind the scenes. People love looking at behind the scenes of real life. This is basically a time for you to have your own reality TV show. So whether you're a model, actress, singer, whatever it is, bring them to the photo shoot while you're getting your makeup done. Bring them on set while you're filming. Of course, get approval. Bring them into the production studio while you're recording your new song or you're writing your new song. People love getting the behind the scenes look, and they'll feel like they get to peek behind the curtain. Very VIP-like experience. This is a great one. Number 10, do a fundraiser. So many of these platforms you're able to monetize, you're able to incentivize people to send whatever that app currency is, whether it's actual dollars, coins, beans, diamonds, you name it. Whatever it is, you can incentivize people to send currency. So one thing that you can do here is have a fundraiser, especially with the holidays coming up. Do a fundraiser in honor of a cause that you believe in, and then you can donate those funds that you give, but use this live streaming opportunity to tell people about this cause, about whatever charity you want to give to, and then they might choose to donate to it later on as well. But this is an incredible opportunity to do some good and spread the kindness with your live streams. Some bonuses. Number 11, do a co-stream with another streamer. Again, this is going to be that cross-pollinating that I'm constantly talking about. Your audience is going to be introduced to their audience is going to be introduced to you, and you can also play off of each other. It can be fun. Use whatever things you have in common, just chat, play a game, whatever it is. Do a stream with another streamer. Number 12, do some sort of giveaway. Whether it's themed, whether it's just random stuff, whatever it is, get creative, do a giveaway. It'll engage the audience, and it's a way for you as the streamer to give back to the people who are constantly supporting you. Lucky number 13, do an unboxing video. Whether you are an influencer and you just got some sort of PR package, whether it is fan mail that people have sent you, whatever it is, packages, unbox them live on stream. It's fun. I mean, be careful if you don't know what it is and it could be something inappropriate, go in with caution. But do an unboxing video. People love those. And it's like watching people unwrap presents on Christmas or on their birthday, and they'll get to see the surprise on your face and they'll experience the surprise with you. Now, as a reward for watching until the very end of the video, here are a couple ways to come up with your own live streaming content ideas without having to watch these YouTube videos of lists of content ideas. Look at late night talk show segments. If you think about it, your live stream is basically your own talk show. So go and watch these late night shows and see what kind of weird, fun games and activities they do and adapt it to work for you on your own stream. This is a great way to come up with some incredible live streaming ideas. Honestly, some of the ideas that I just gave you are ideas that I came up from looking at late night talk shows. Really, any live kind of talk show like content, whether that's on the TV, on YouTube, whatever, can be adapted into your own live stream. So just keep an eye out while you're watching those and think about how you might be able to adapt that live talk show like content for your own live stream. Next, also trend watch. That means watch for trends of different challenges or different content ideas that are doing well on YouTube. For example, lists like top 10, whatever, top 15. You can create a list beforehand for your live stream. Also TikTok, trend watch on TikTok. What's doing well? It's November, do a no nuance November live stream. Give your stream your hot takes with no nuance. Ask them for their no nuance hot takes. Or you can do story time, any of those. But if it's trending, it's going to be relevant, people are going to relate to it, and it's going to be good, high quality, engaging content for your live stream. Also, watch what is performing well for your co-streamers, your fellow streamers. See what streams are popping off and see what they're doing that's working for them and adapt it to yourself. It's okay to steal ideas here. They're going to be stealing ideas from you. It's not really stealing, it's borrowing. You're adapting it to yourself. But keep an eye out for that, and that will continue to give you ideas. Basically, start looking at the world around you through the lens of looking for live streaming content ideas, and when you go into it consciously that way, things will start standing out and you'll start seeing streaming ideas all around you. I make a point of having a note on my phone where I just write down live streaming ideas so that as soon as it hits me, I write it down so I can look back at it later when I need a new idea. But there you have it, 10 plus, total of 13 different live streaming content ideas with then ways you can generate your own content ideas without having to watch lists of them on YouTube. But thank you so much. I really hope this one was helpful for you guys. Now, if you did get some value out of this, please, if you could leave a like rating down below, comment what was your favorite content idea, and if you could please also hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. If you have any further questions, please feel free to message me on Instagram at Smilin_Aislinn or email me. My messages are always open and I try to really answer all of your guys' questions. Also, if you want more live streaming tips, tricks, news, and inspiration, I have an Instagram devoted directly to that, and that is going to be Smilin_original. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate all of you, and I am excited to hopefully help you become the best streamer you possibly can be. So thank you so much. I will see you next week, and remember, most importantly, to keep smiling.